The Dark Magician!
Hold your fire! This man isn't black! What?
Dark Magic Attack! Go, Dark Magician!
Man, what's up, y'all? JSB the Creator, and I am back again with a new video today for y'all. And for today's video, as you can see, we'll be doing something with this. Alright, I'll be turning this into this. Well, technically I'll be turning this into that, but I am going to be changing these Georgetown Jordan 6s into a pair of Dark Magician Jordan 6s. Alright, I did the mock-up for these a while back, and people were digging it, and I was like, you know what, let me turn this into an actual colorway. To be doing some magic on this. I am a magician. I sometimes make things disappear, and I make things reappear. So that's what I'm gonna be getting into, all right? Time to cook with some magic. This goes without saying, whenever you start on something, always do that prep work. Don't care how good of a shoe you customize. If that prep work wasn't done good, it's not gonna last. So the first step I wanted to tackle on these is that pink detailing that's on the Dark Magician's body. So I decided to turn the navy blue parts on this shoe pink. So because the Dark Magician is mostly purple, I decided to hit that gray suede with some purple suede dye. All right, painting suede is a biatch. It is almost impossible, but dyeing it, works like a charm. And it allows it to have that suede look still and that suede feel. Like I said before, that pink detailing is very key. It also adds a bit of contrast to the purple upper. Next up is to hit that midsole with some navy blue. I went with the navy blue because the Dark Magician's coat is like a navy blue color. I know you see me painting the plastic back tab and the tongue, but I wasn't using regular paint. I mixed it with some Too Hard to allow the paint to stick a little bit better. Like I said like 5 seconds ago, the Dark Magician's like cloak and everything is navy blue, so I went with some navy blue tongues on the shoe. As you can see, I hit the sock liner with that same pink that's on the shoe. After that, it was time to get busy with the lace locks. My idea with the lace locks was to hit them with this green to purple color shift, but it didn't really come out fully the way I wanted it to, but that's still fine. All that was left as far as the shoes go was to dye the laces and create the custom insoles. For the insoles, I wanted to look like the front and back of the Dark Magician Yu-Gi-Oh card. So basically, the one side will have the back of the card and the other side will have the actual Dark Magician on it. And there you have it, the Dark Magician Jordan 6s. When I went into creating this concept, I did not want it to look like a custom. Like, I did not want it to look obviously like, oh, this is a Dark Magician shoe. I want it to kind of look like if Nike Jordan brand dropped the colorway and it had the nickname, oh, this is the Dark Magicians. I find it a lot more fun to tackle a colorway and give it like that subtlety of, oh, this is a character, but without it screaming, oh, this is a custom, you know? Once again, guys, thanks for checking out today's video I did on these Dark Magician Jordan 6s. Basically, like I said earlier, this started out as a concept that I wanted to play with, and I decided, hey, you know what? Why not bring it to life, right? So, brought these to life, and this is how they came out. Definitely one of the freshest 6s that I've done. Well, one of my favorites, personally. That purple suede is very, very nice.
It's nice.
Very nice, very nice. And then, I don't know if I can see a little color shift lace lock. Can't really tell because of the way the lighting is. But yeah, I will be doing these for other people, but you have to provide me with the Georgetown Jordan 6s. Without that, you might as well just, this is not a magic trick that I can make possible, okay? I had to do the custom insoles with it too. As a kid growing up, I was a big Yu-Gi-Oh fan. I have a card collection, all right? You know, I don't know what it's worth right now, you know what I mean? Maybe I should have stayed on top of that, but I used to be about that. I used to be dueling. I used to try and like go to tournaments and stuff. I was on it, all right? I was really about it. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check me out till next time, guys, all right? Peace! I am out of here, and I am going to make myself disappear.